Welcome to Wisdom Easy Life channel. Let us heed the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and treat rejection like physical pain, with courage, resilience, and unwavering resolve. For in the crucible of adversity, we forge the steel of our character and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. As Marcus Aurelius himself once said, "The obstacle is the way." So let us embrace rejection as an opportunity for growth, and in doing so, transcend the limitations of our own humanity. Hearing the words of this video will shake your heart. Please take a moment to engage with this video, press the like button, and ring the notification bell. Now let's start this journey, a transformative journey together, ready to turn on rejection among our most triumphant victories. We take comfort in the ancient wisdom of Stoicism. Like a beacon of light in the dark of night, Stoicism offers us a path to navigate the treacherous waters of rejection with grace and fortitude. Imagine, if you will, the great Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome and staunch disciple of Stoicism. In the annals of history, his name is engraved not only for his victorious achievements, but also for his steadfast commitment to the principles of Stoicism. He is said to have treated rejection much like physical pain, accepting it as an inevitable aspect of the human experience. In Marcus Aurelius's own words, "Reject your feelings, and the hurt itself disappears." These profound words encapsulate the essence of Stoic philosophy and call us to overcome the momentary discomfort of rejection and instead focus on cultivating inner resilience. But how, you may ask, can we emulate the Stoic wisdom of Marcus Aurelius in the face of rejection? The answer lies in understanding the basic principles of Stoicism and applying them to our daily lives. And foremost, we must recognize that rejection is merely a perception, a fleeting sensation that has no power over us until we allow it to. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once remarked, "It's not what happens to you that matters, but how you react to it." By reframing our perspective on rejection, we reclaim our agency and place great emphasis on controlling our emotional responses. We must develop a sense of inner calm in the midst of the storm of rejection. Just as a skilled sailor navigates unsettled seas with unwavering determination, we too must weather the storms of rejection within ourselves. Through practices like mindfulness meditation and self-reflection, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment and find comfort in the depths of our own consciousness. We must embrace the gross virtues of courage and resilience in the face of adversity. It is like a strong oak tree that withstands severe frost to our bodies and brains, so we too must stand firm in the face of rejection. We must remain steadfast in our commitment to personal growth and self-improvement. And we must remember that rejection is not a reflection of our worth as individuals, but a natural consequence of our courage to pursue our dreams. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." By facing our fears and embracing rejection as an inevitable aspect of the human experience, we free ourselves from the chains of self-doubt and insecurity, deep within our being, where the echo of our soul resonates with the universe. And lies the ancient wisdom of Stoicism. It is not a philosophy of fleeting pleasure or hollow comfort, but of unwavering resilience and inner peace. Today we embark on a journey guided by the teachings of Stoic legend, illuminated by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, to explore an idea that transcends the boundaries of mere emotion, treating rejection like physical pain. As we explore the essence of Stoicism, let us first understand the profound truth that rejection, like physical pain, is a transitory sensation, a passing wave in the vast ocean of existence. It is a test of our inner fortitude, a crucible through which we become creatures of unbreakable strength and resilience. Marcus Aurelius, the venerable Stoic emperor, took rejection not as a burden to be cast aside, but as a teacher to be embraced. In his timeless meditations, he imparted wisdom that has inspired many throughout history. Reject your sense of hurt, and the hurt itself will disappear. These words, though ancient, hold within them the eternal truth that our perception of rejection shapes its effect on us. By changing our perspective, we overcome the momentary sting of rejection and emerge as stronger, more resilient beings. But how, you may ask, can a reject act like physical pain? The answer lies in the essence of Stoicism, cultivating inner calm through mastery of our perceptions and emotions. As a skilled physician tends to a wounded body with care and delicacy, so we must diligently attend to our wounded souls much more. The Stoics taught us that external events are beyond our control, and it is our response to these events that defines us. In the face of rejection, we must cultivate a mindset of steady acceptance, not resignation, but a deeper understanding that rejection is a fleeting moment in the tapestry of our lives. Just as physical pain serves as a signal of physical loss, rejection also serves as a signal of growth and self-discovery. Seneca, another luminary of Stoicism, wrote, "Hardness strengthens the mind, as labor strengthens the body." In the crucible of rejection, we are tested, tempered, and ultimately transformed into creatures of unparalleled strength and resilience. It is through adversity that we seek to discover the depths of our inner fortitude, creating a consciousness that is unbreakable and indomitable. But let us not mistake Stoicism for indifference. It is not the suppression of emotion, but its mastery, a subtle distinction that lies at the heart of Stoic philosophy. Just as a skilled martial artist challenges their strength with finesse and control, we must challenge our emotions with wisdom and discernment. Epictetus, the Stoic sage, admonishes us to endure and endure, to endure life's trials with grace and fortitude. Know that every obstacle is a stepping stone on the path to self-mastery. In the face of rejection, let us not sink into despair or self-pity, but rather stand tall, knowing that our worth is not defined by the judgment of others. As we navigate the labyrinth of existence, let us heed the words of the Stoic sages and embrace rejection as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Let us treat it not as a wound to heal, but as a challenge to overcome, knowing that within the crucible of rejection lies the seed of our greatest victory. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Let us best guide the virtues of Stoicism, wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice, and build a life of indomitable strength and inner tranquility." Because in the crucible of rejection, we discover not only the depth of our own resilience, but also the limitless potential within us. Let us embrace rejection as a teacher and a mentor and a guide, knowing that within its embrace lies the great secret of true inner peace and fulfillment. Embracing holds the key to unlocking our full potential, because in the crucible of rejection we are not broken but made anew, stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever. Let us then rise like the phoenix from the ashes of rejection, and rise to dreamless heights guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. We treat rejection like physical pain, not as a burden to bear, but as a gift to receive, because in its embrace lies the secret of true inner peace and fulfillment. In the realm of ancient wisdom, there is a philosophy that transcends the boundaries of time and space. Stoicism, with its roots deeply embedded in history, offers a deeper lens through which to view human experience. To uncover the deep wisdom deep within us, imagine, if you will, a scenario familiar to all of us: rejection. It strikes like a knife to the heart, leaving us in pain and uncertainty. Yet, in the queer tradition, rejection is not just a blow to the ego, but an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. As the great Marcus Aurelius once said, "Reject your sense of hurt, and the hurt itself disappears." These words, born from the depth of fixed knowledge, it holds the key to unlocking the power of resilience and resilience within us. To truly understand the gross aspect of rejection, we must first grasp the basic principle of acceptance. Stoicism teaches us to accept the things we cannot change, to embrace life's inevitable twists and turns with grace and humility. In the face of rejection, it means accepting the reality of the situation without allowing it to define our self-worth. We are not defined by the external validity of others, but by the strength of our character and the integrity of our actions. But adoption alone is not enough. Stoicism challenges us to go beyond mere compliance and develop a mindset of inner resilience. Just as we treat physical pain with care and attention, we must tend to the wounds of rejection with compassion and self-awareness. It means acknowledging our emotions without allowing them to consume us. Pain is a normal part of the human experience, but it need not dictate the course of our lives. In the Stoic tradition, rejection is not a sign of weakness, but an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. It gives us an opportunity to test our mettle, to sharpen the sword of our inner resolve against the onslaught of adversity. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you that matters, but how you react to it." In other words, it's not the rejection itself that defines us, but our response to it. So how do we treat rejection like physical pain? How do we embody broad principles in the face of adversity? The answer lies in building a mindset of resilience, acceptance, and inner strength. This means that rejection is not a reflection of our worth as individuals, but a normal part of the human experience. It means embracing the challenges that come our way with courage and determination, knowing that every setback is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. In the Stoic tradition, rejection is not a curse to be avoided, but a gift to be received. It's an opportunity to test our limits, push beyond the boundaries of our comfort zones, and discover the true depths of our potential. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "Hardness strengthens the mind, as labor strengthens the body." In other words, it is through adversity that we become stronger and more resilient, better able to face the challenges ahead. And so, as we navigate life's ups and downs, let us recall the wisdom of the Stoics. Let us treat rejection like physical pain, not as a source of grief, but as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Let us embrace the challenges that come our way with courage and determination, knowing that every setback is a stepping stone on the path to greatness. And above all, let us cultivate a mindset of resilience, knowing that we have the power to overcome any obstacle in our path. So no matter what obstacle comes in front of us, we will not give up. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to get more videos.